What if Samsung's next Ultra isn't just an upgrade, but a total power play that rewrites everything we thought we knew about the flagship formula? Thinner, faster, smarter, and maybe hiding its most powerful weapon in plain sight. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Make sure to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more tech drops and juicy reveals. You won't want to miss this one. Let's dive in. Because the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just coming, it's coming in hot. And this time, it's not just about beefed up specs, it's about strategy. Samsung might finally be done playing it safe. After teasing us with the razor-thin Galaxy S25 Edge, it now looks like the entire S26 lineup is going slim, but not at the cost of power. We're talking flagship phones as thin as 6 mm, with the Ultra itself slimming down to around 7 mm. That's leaner than ever, and it's just the beginning. You'd think thinner means compromise, but surprise, Samsung might be pulling this off with smarter camera design. The usual chunky camera hump, potentially re-engineered. Rumors say we could get a new optical layout that not only saves space but boosts zoom quality, stepping up from 10p to a sharper 20mm sensor. And if Samsung sneaks in a bigger aperture, night shots and zoomed-in details could be next level. Now here's a twist no one saw coming. Samsung might be replacing the Plus model entirely. That's right. There's talk of a Galaxy S26 Edge taking its spot. If that sounds wild, remember, the S25 Edge was Samsung's quiet test balloon. And now, it might just go full mainstream. But hardware is only half the story. Samsung is reportedly in talks with Perplexity AI, a fast, growing AI assistant that's way smarter than your typical voice bot. Imagine an assistant that can follow up your questions, cite real sources, and even replace Google Assistant as your default. Yeah, we're talking serious AI wars here. If the deal goes through, your next Galaxy might come with its own Google competitor, and that could flip the whole Android ecosystem upside down. This isn't out of the blue, by the way. Remember when Samsung nearly dumped Google for Bing in 2023? That sparked a firestorm. Now, with Perplexity in the mix, Samsung could finally take control of its own software destiny. Let's talk chips. The S26 Ultra is expected to run the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, specially tuned for Galaxy. But here's the kicker: Qualcomm might drop the chip a whole month early, in September, to stay ahead of MediaTek's Dimensity 9500. And both are built on TSMC's Thurnem process, which means massive performance and efficiency gains. This new Snapdragon isn't just fast, it's aggressive. We're talking about clock speeds up to 5GX next, Gen Adreno 8040 GPU and potential support for LPDDR6 RAM. Basically, you're carrying a gaming PC in your pocket. And in true Samsung style, it'll get overclocked versions for extra firepower. But here's where Samsung plays 4D chess. They're also quietly testing their own SucM chip, built in-house. It won't debut in the S26, but it's coming. And if it works, Samsung might finally dethrone TSMC and take over its own chip game. The S26 Ultra could be the last Snapdragon king before Samsung fully bets on its Exynos empire. Now for design. Think evolution, not revolution, but with sharper polish, thinner bezels. Titanium frame, new Gorilla Glass armor on the front for added durability. And yes, possibly a punch-hole camera sticking around a bit longer. The under-display cam is reportedly not ready for prime time, and honestly, better to wait than botch selfies. Battery? Oh, we're leveling up? Rumors say the S Pen slot might be removed. Controversial but strategic. Why? To make room for a 6000 mAh battery, possibly even 7000 mAh using next-gen silicon carbon tech. Imagine charging to full in under 30 minutes with 120W fast charging and going 2 full days without worry. Now you're probably wondering, where does the S Pen go if there's no slot? One word: magnetized. Samsung may go Apple style and let it snap onto the side, charging while it hangs on. Sleek, futuristic, and smart. Add in whispers of variable aperture cameras returning hello, Galaxy S9 Vibeus, and we might be looking at the most complete Ultra ever. Perfect zoom, smarter AI, longer battery, cleaner design, and a chip war brewing under the surface. Bottom line, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just about the here and now. It's about Samsung gearing up for total control. Hardware, software, silicon. It's all coming together. And the next few months, they're going to be wild. So, will Samsung's bold strategy pay off? Or is it pushing too far, too fast? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading every one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss what's next. This is just the beginning. Catch you in the next one!